If you're a discerning homeowner in the Kansas City area who has been dreaming about transforming your outdoor spaces, and you've been frustrated by unreliable contractors with conventional offerings that look just like everyone else's, and they're crumbling in less than 5 years in KC's clay soil, watch this video to learn about High Prairie Outdoors' truly exclusive services. At High Prairie Outdoors, we believe your outdoor spaces should be more than just beautiful, they should be life-changing. That's why homeowners choose the Legacy Program, a proven system that transforms your outdoor spaces into a sanctuary of timeless beauty and unmatched craftsmanship. The Legacy Program isn't just a landscaping service, it's a comprehensive solution tailored to your family's unique needs and lifestyle. By blending old-world European craftsmanship with modern design principles, we create spaces that inspire connection, relaxation, and unforgettable memories. With our proprietary methods, your space will be designed to endure for generations without the common frustrations of conventional building techniques. Whether you dream of a serene retreat, a vibrant entertaining space, or a backyard that invites play, the Legacy Program brings your vision to life with timeless style and enduring durability. Through 3 seamless steps: discovery, implementation, and continued care, every detail of your project is expertly crafted and cared for, providing you with a lifetime of outdoor enjoyment. While many other companies offer comprehensive landscape solutions, none deliver the level of expertise, care, and craftsmanship that High Prairie Outdoors provides. Your journey begins with discovery. Our proprietary experience-driven design process ensures your outdoor space reflects your unique lifestyle. Grounded in the science of happiness and stress management, we design spaces that foster relaxation, connection, and joy. Our team has studied what the happiest countries have in common, and the answer is clear. Creating spaces where loved ones can make lasting memories is the key to a joyful life. By partnering with High Prairie, you gain access to exclusive materials and plants not available elsewhere in the area, ensuring your design is as unique as your family. Already have a design? No problem. We'll start with implementation, ensuring the benefits of timeless style and unmatched craftsmanship remain at the heart of your project. Implementation is where your vision becomes reality. Here, old-world European craftsmanship meets modern-day America to create spaces with enduring beauty and unparalleled durability. We developed our exclusive construction methods through collaboration with European landscape professionals. This unique partnership has refined our expertise, materials, methods, and attention to detail to an unparalleled level. The result is a meticulously curated process you won't find anywhere else, ensuring your outdoor spaces are crafted to last. Built by our skilled specialists, these spaces provide a long-term return on your investment and continue to improve with time. Our commitment doesn't end when the project is complete. With the Legacy Club, you'll enjoy continued care, optional access to proactive maintenance programs that protect your investment and keep your outdoor spaces looking their best year-round. Through our exclusive concierge services, seasonal enhancements, membership in our Legacy Club, access to Habitat by HP, our curated collection of vessels, sculptures, wellness elements, and more, you'll enjoy worry-free convenience and a space that continues to inspire, and maybe even cause a little neighbor envy. The Legacy Program is more than just a landscaping solution. It's an investment in your family's lifestyle. By creating finely crafted spaces tailored to your needs, you'll enjoy not only timeless beauty, but also the memories and connections these spaces inspire. If you're ready to transform your outdoor spaces and your life, contact High Prairie Outdoors today.